Welcome to Admin Setup Company. To begin, select the Admin tab, then select Company, and the company page will display. From here you have several fields of information. You'll enter your company name, your address, city, state, zip code, phone number, federal ID number, your processing fee, bank product, that's the amount of money you charge in addition to your tax prep fee to process a bank product. And this dollar amount will be calculated in some reports. That's why it's important. State unemployment account. This numbers only would apply if you're using Adam to calculate payroll for your office. Refer a friend amount. Enter the dollar amount that you pay out for your refer a friend, and there are certain reports that'll display the actual amount you pay out per day and a total amount for the entire year. Then you make sure that you save the information because it does not automatically save. At the top it'll say company information saved. So your company information is pretty straightforward. Then we have security information as the next section. Within here I'll mention what these actually are, and then I'll show you where in the software they come into play. So the very first one, if you'd like to auto set the client portal password to the first 15 characters of the last name with the last 4 digits of the Social Security number. So if I go into the client file, in the client information section we have the password right here, and if I reset this password, for example, this password is the client portal password. So this is, as a client were to log into their site, they have to enter their Social Security number followed by the password. This is where the password is stored. And any new client were to come into your office, it'll automatically pre-fill this with their last name up to the last 15 characters and the last 4 of their social, if you have this box checked right here. So we recommend that for security purposes. If you do not have this box checked, that password field will be left blank. The next item in security information is block non-admin users from modifying the referral type after it has been set. If I have this box checked, in the client file under account information, we have a referral type, refer a friend. You can select any referral type, basically how they came into your office. Once it's selected and you save, only admin can modify this if you have that box checked. So this will prevent people from changing the referral type. And if you use refer a friend and you actually pay out money to your employees, there could be fraud here. So it's a good security measure, I believe, to have that checked that only admin could modify this. Our next item, disable email functionality. If you have this box checked, Adam will not send any automatic emails out to your client. For example, happy birthday wishes, notification of their client appointment, notification that you may have uploaded a document to their portal or sent them a message. So if you have that checked, it's a global functionality across the board that no emails will be sent from Adam to any of your clients. The next item, use email for client portal login. If you'd rather use the email for the clients to log into their portal rather than their Social Security number, you just would check this box here. And then when I hit save, now I'm at the client portal site. If I log out, if you notice now it'll say please enter your email as opposed to the Social Security number. That's an option up to you. I'm going to go ahead and change this back. I save. Again, anytime you make a change here, make sure you save at the bottom. Displays notes on the client portal office events tracking screen. I have this box checked. I'll show you where this comes into play. We come back to the portal. I'm going to refresh this page. Now it says enter the Social Security number, password, and then I'm in. This item right here, Office Events Tracking, if I select this portal link, this Office Events Tracking is basically your events page inside of the client file. So I have a status, I have notes. Because I selected to display my notes, that's why the note column is actually displayed. If I had that unchecked, the note column would not display. And again, you have the option of turning Office Events Tracking on or off under Admin Client Portal links. The next item, allow return status change email. If you'd like the client to receive a notification every time the status of the return changes, and what I mean by the status of the return changing is the e-file status. So when you e-file the return, it goes into a pending status. They will get an email notifying them to go to their client portal to see what the change of their status is. Once the return is accepted, they'll get another email automatically from Adam notifying them to go to their portal because their status of the return had just changed. We actually don't have that on. We thought with our clients it might cause more confusion than actually help. The next item, enable client portal information update email. If you'd like to be notified every time your client updates their client information on the portal, then you would check this box. And what I mean by that, if I go back to the portal site, we have a client portal link called Update My Address, Email, Phone, Password. When I click on this link, if I make any kind of modification and I save, you as a company will be notified that your client just updated their contact information. So if you'd like to be notified, and you could then take that information, say if they change their zip code, you could then change it in another management system if you're using something else, or maybe change the address in the tax software. So anyway, just check that box and you'll be notified anytime they make an update to their contact information. Client portal login label. If you'd like to change what's displayed on the client portal login, you can enter it here. So for example, I've entered, please enter your Social Security number, no dashes. If I log out, right there on the end, at the login, please enter your Social Security number, no dashes. That's what displays. The default is please enter your Social Security number, ITIN, or EIN. So in our case, our clientele are predominantly clients with Social Security numbers, not ITINs, and we don't have many businesses, so I just displayed enter your Social Security number to make it easier for our clients. Go back to the company page. The next item, Facebook connection. If you'd like to display your Facebook on your client portal, all you have to do is enter the URL for your Facebook page. The easiest way to do that is go to your Facebook page and then just come to the top, do a copy in the URL, the web address link, and then paste it right in here. And then your Facebook link will display right there on the login page, and when you actually log in, it'll display to encourage your clients to like your company and then hopefully generate more business for you through social media. The next item, RAL decline code verbiage. This is no longer needed now that we don't have RAL, so I'm not going to discuss that. The next item, email disclaimer. If you'd like a disclaimer to display at the bottom of all your emails sent from Adam, you can enter it right here. For example, something related to Circular 230 showing the data is confidential. You can enter, I believe it's up to, probably, I believe 800 characters here, or 800 words. So it can be quite lengthy, and it would be at the bottom of every email that's sent from Adam to your client. The next section, FICA, tax, and federal unemployment information. This is strictly tied to payroll. If you're allowing Adam to calculate payroll for your company, same way with state unemployment information, and that will all be discussed under the section payroll. So I will not discuss that here. That's all we have for admin company setup. Thank you.